Hi there, students. Pallid, an adjective. Pallidly, the adverb. Pallidness, a noun, I guess. Okay, pallid, pale, ashen, white, pasty, sickly, sallow, waxen, colourless. Okay, so this is the chalky as well. So pallid. Pallid means very pale, in a way that looks unhealthy and not attractive. So somebody could have a pallid complexion. His face went pallid and then he vomited. The patient looks very pallid and unhealthy. He went pallid when he saw the enormity of the bill. Okay, so a pallid complexion, pale and unhealthy looking. Okay, pallid, wan, to have a pallid countenance. Yeah, the pallid face of an invalid, abnormally pale and white. A pallid complexion, a pallid face. Yeah, the patient left hospital, but he was still very pallid, very whitish. Okay, so that's the exact meaning, but you can also use this metaphorically. Something that shows no enthusiasm or excitement. The performance was very pallid. The food that they produce today is a pallid reproduction of what they used to produce in the past. So dull and boring, not very interesting, lacking sparkle and liveliness. The film is a pallid version of what is a really good novel. Yeah, they have pallidly reproduced this book. The pallidness of the film means you cannot compare it to the wonderful book. So lacking radiance, lacking luminance or vitality. So yeah, a very pallid performance. A pallid piece of writing. His speech was so pallid that everybody went to sleep. Yeah, it was pallid. It wasn't his normal, exciting and interesting speech. It was colourless, boring, insipid, anemic and lifeless. Yeah, so I don't know, pallid romantic fiction, pulp fiction. Yeah. Also, actually, we have this word pallor as a noun, an unhealthy pallor or an unhealthy pallidness. I quite like this word, pallor. Yeah, the pallor of the patient indicated that he really did not feel very well. Okay, so pallid, ashen, wan, pale, pasty. Yeah, this is how somebody looks. Yeah, they look ill. They look pretty pallid. This is a pallid representation, a boring, lifeless, not vivid representation of something very good. Okay, so pallid, a good word. So formality, pallid. I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation, particularly if you're saying somebody looks sick. You look very pallid, but you look a bit white or a bit pasty. So 6 in formality, great for something formal and something semi-formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes from pallidus in Latin. Pallid, wan, without any colour. So the meaning has not really changed in a couple of thousand years. Okay, so I hope this was not a pallid explanation. I hope it was exciting and full of interest, yeah? So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. bye for now. Pallid, pallidly, pallor, pallidness.